How to fix the official WhatsApp required issue on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve this error and get back into WhatsApp on your device. First, if you're seeing this error on your screen like shown here, the first thing to check is whether you have the official version of WhatsApp installed. After that, open the Play Store, tap the search icon at the bottom, then tap the search bar at the top and search for WhatsApp. From there, check that the version installed on your device is the official one published by Meta. If it's from any other developer, that's likely the cause of the issue. Uninstall it and install the correct one. Right here, if you already have the official version installed, go back to your home screen, long press on the WhatsApp icon, and tap App Info. At this point, tap on Storage, then go ahead and tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be triggering the error. Moving on, go back to the App Info page and tap Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. Following this, stay on the App Info page and tap on Battery. From here, make sure battery optimization is set to unrestricted, so WhatsApp isn't being restricted in the background. Finally, go back and reopen WhatsApp to check if the issue has been resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the official WhatsApp required issue on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.